If we are going to create more people-centered, more humane workplaces that work for everyone, we can't ignore the role emotions play or sweep them under the rug and pretend like our emotions don't exist. Because how you feel at work affects how you perform at work.
I'm Carolyn Stern, and I'm an emotional intelligence expert. Emotional intelligence is the answer to every personal or interpersonal relationship or problem out there.
Remember when you were in school and you were in a group project and you had a problem with someone on your team and you'd go to the teacher for guidance? What did the teacher say? Figure it out. The problem is none of us were taught how to figure it out. For the most part, we don't teach students how to solve emotional problems, how to cope well with stress, how to set healthy boundaries, or have confidence in themselves. And then we graduate them and send them to the office, and then it becomes your problem. You're welcome. I am not saying I'm emotionally perfect. I am a work in progress and a masterpiece at the same time, just like all of you. Who in here lets their emotions cloud their decision making? Come on. I can't be the only one. Yes, thank you. The rest of you are lying.
Much of our communication is what's going on below the surface. Our thoughts, our feelings, our attitudes, our assumptions, our motivators, our stressors, those hidden elements